One of my other channels is called Power Within You. I absolutely love that YouTube channel. I motivate people, uplift, inspire, and it's just one of the most remarkable things I've ever done. So I listen to these videos even when I'm in my mail truck. I'll put it on, stick my phone over there, and just listen to the audio, and it makes me feel so good. So I truly believe in that channel. I was in a cover band years ago, and that's when I bought my first camera, and I was so excited about it. So the boss of the band, his name is Randy, he wanted me to take some photos so that we could, have a band photo. So I bought a green screen, and I was like, it's cool. So I set that bad boy up, which honestly, I may not even have to do anymore, but I'll get to that.
Subscribe.
That's crazy. So I set up the green screen and this is awesome. I just had a realization. Set up the green screen. I film my videos. I have my lights coming so that I can, be lit. And I have my music that I like to use, which, man, I downloaded like over 1,000 non-copyright free songs, and then I pay for a subscription. That channel hasn't taken off yet, and I'm perfectly okay with that. It used to be faceless, but now I actually show my face. And I'm proud I made that decision. It makes me feel like I no longer have to hide. I may not have to use the green screen anymore. Like, it just may be pointless at this stage, because I can remove the background like that in CapCut. I don't need a solid background. Before, I would have to use the green screen to edit it in Premiere, because I could click the green and it will remove everything that's green in my video. But man, CapCut is a beast. So I may start editing Power Within You in CapCut. I think that's actually not a bad idea. Unless Adobe starts removing the background with one click. That may be what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.